And here it is, our Cyclomix micro unit. We'll get started with our 4-menu controller, starting with F1 for production, F2 for flushing, and our flushing with this machine, we have options. We're able to select an A only flush, an AB flush, or a BA flush. We'll skip up here to F3, which is where we set our parameters. Again, this is like ratio, pot life, filling and flushing volumes, so that way we have a secure mix when it's time to spray. F4 is our consumption totals. This machine keeps track of all of our resin materials, 1 through 3, our catalyst, and solvents for each of those materials. Let's go back to F1 there. Now we'll go through a quick little synopsis of the mix manifold and what we're really looking at here. So we have our resin or our base material color change. Material will come in the bottom, and the selected color exits the valve body, travels through this hose, up through a check valve, into our resin gear meter. You see here, this is our flow meter sensor connector going back up to our controller for our resin material. Now with this machine, the resin is flowing 100% of the time. Based on that, it will inject small quantities of our catalyst into that stream of material. So our catalyst enters the machine here. It is selected when we go into F1, production. It fills into our check valve, our catalyst flow meter, and again we have a catalyst flow meter sensor connector going back to the controller. And then we have our VP6 catalyst injector. This will open and close as we spray the 2K mix material out of the gun. The frequency of which will be determined by our tip size, our flow rate, and the viscosity of the material. This is our injection block. This is the first point in which our resin and our catalyst materials meet for the first time, exiting into a stainless steel pH static mix tube. So, with that said, we have our Cyclomix micro unit. This is a 3+1.